Welcome to Pilling & Eichner Real Estate. My name is Astrid Pilling, and for over 15 years, I've been a passionate and successful real estate agent. With expertise, professionalism, and charm, I'll guide you on the path to your dream property. Today, I'm presenting a two-family house located in the municipality of Gerolsbach, about 14 kilometers from Pfaffenhofen an der Ilm. The house sits on a gentle slope and is entered at street level. The plot covers 1,078 square meters and borders directly on open fields. The upper apartment features a balcony and 5 rooms. The lower apartment offers 3 rooms and a spacious winter garden. The entrance to the lower apartment is separate and located to the left of the mailbox. 3 steps lead up to the front door of the upper apartment. The neighborhood consists mainly of single-family homes, and currently many young families with children live on this street. We enter the apartment through a spacious hallway. The view opens onto the dining area and the fireplace, which provides cozy warmth. Next, we step into the bright living room, generously sized and flooded with natural light thanks to the many windows, a space to feel at home. The large window front offers a lovely view of the garden and lets in pleasant daylight well into the evening hours. The dining area includes a pass-through to the kitchen and is designed with an open layout. The kitchen itself is modern, with light grey built-in cabinets and plenty of storage space. It's a great place to cook, store supplies, and even set up a small breakfast nook. A practical pantry with a window completes the room. From the hallway, we enter the master bedroom, quietly located and spacious enough for a large bed and wardrobe. Right next to it is another room that can be flexibly used as a child's room, guest room, or home office. Especially convenient. From here, there's direct access to the balcony with a view of the greenery. From the balcony, you have a wonderful view over the garden and the surrounding area. The peaceful location and wide outlook create a pleasant, relaxed atmosphere. The bathroom features a walk-in shower, large window, double sink, and connections for both washing machine and dryer. A separate entrance leads down to the lower apartment. Here too, a fireplace provides cozy warmth. The open kitchen opposite blends elegantly into the living area and creates a pleasant, homely atmosphere. Here is the modern kitchen with magenta-colored countertop and backsplash. The anthracite-colored cabinets add contrast and structure. Everything is open and well integrated into the living space. This is the shower bathroom, also equipped with stylish double sinks. Bright tiles and practical shelves offer comfort and a clean, functional design. The large, bright living room leads into the spacious winter garden, which can be transformed into a green oasis with style. The window surfaces bring in plenty of light and create a friendly atmosphere. The winter garden extends the living space and creates an airy feeling. From here, you step directly into the garden, ideal for relaxing outdoors or connecting to the outside area. This is the first bedroom or office with a window looking out into the winter garden. And here is the second bedroom, with direct access to the winter garden. The winter garden in front of the lower apartment offers plenty of space and can be used in many ways, as a green room with a large table, a quiet reading corner, or a creative retreat. The window surfaces provide light and atmosphere. 4 steps lead directly into the garden, a beautiful connection between indoor and outdoor space. Both apartments are generously laid out, offer ample storage, and give every resident the opportunity to create a beautiful home. A final look at the well-kept two-family house, solidly built, thoughtfully designed, and ready for new residents. I'm Astrid Pilling from Pilling & Eichner Real Estate in Munich, your expert for beautiful living and successful property brokerage. If this property has caught your interest, then call me right now. Let's schedule a viewing appointment. And if you're planning to sell a property, feel free to contact me directly. We will be happy to assist you.